Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about animation textures. This will be a very quick and brief video as making an animated texture is very easy. So let's start uploading our animated textures into our WAD. Again, in between these two markers, texture start and texture end. And to make animated texture, all we have to do is use a code like this. So we have a texture marb A to marb Y. So I have to put this down a bit. So now it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And so we have a texture marb A ranging to marb Y. And this will be 6. This is the speed of your animation. Same goes to our additional texture, which is marb 032, ranging to 34 with speed of 6 ticks. In order for animation to work, we need to have animations type text file. So now that we've uploaded these animations and made a code for them, let's save our WAD. And that's about it. That's how you make your textures animated. And now let's put these animated textures into our map. So now we have our texture animated working. It's spilling blood, and on top of that we have this one blinking. But what if you have a switch texture and you want to make a switch? Then again we need to upload our texture in between the texture markers in our WAD. Make sure it stays below all other textures. Make it in correct order, so 11 goes before 12. Let's save it. And to add these textures into our game and make a switch, we need to add in this type of code. So switch, texture name, on, pick, texture name and ticks, let's put that to 0. So I am going to add this switch into our game now. Before that, I need to make something that maybe moves when I press it. So now I have added my texture into my game, but now it's very empty. In order for us to make it work, we need to insert a new tag into a sector. Place it here on new tag. It will give me 35. That depends of course on the situation. And now I'm going to select line which has this texture, and I'm going to change its action. Let's put floor erase. So sector tag 35, movement speed 25, movement amount 64 pixels. That will be it. And before we can actually launch our game, we need to change its trigger. Player presses use. So whenever I press use on this line, which has our texture, the floor rises by 64 pixels. So let's load our game. So this is our texture. Everything seems to be fine now. What happens when we press use? Okay. Anyway, thank you guys. for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like. I will see you in the next one.